Muse for you, awesome websites without code.
Hey, what's up Musers? John with Muse for You, here to help you build awesome websites without code, and welcome to the weekly update for January 15th, 2018. I usually release these videos on Sunday, but I was a bit busy yesterday, so I'm releasing it today. And the things that I've released this week are the complete video widget tutorials and the web designer portfolio template. So I'll go ahead and go to museforyoushop.com. So I'll open up Chrome here, and I'll go to museforyoushop.com, and here you can click subscribe today, and here you can click subscribe now to get access to all widgets and templates I come out with for $39 a year. Here we have the complete video widget. So for the widget, I've released all the video tutorials. So we have the introduction, the full screen video, the video banner, and the video player. So if you've purchased the ultimate video widget, the video player widget, the responsive full with video widget, or the video player 2.0 widget, you've received an email with the complete video widget and the video tutorials. So you can go through the video tutorials and see how each widget works. Okay, so that was released yesterday. So the next thing that was released for this week was the web designer portfolio template. So I'll just quickly showcase the template. I will create a video tutorial on the template, but here I'll go to preview. So it's just a really clean web designer portfolio template. So if you're a web designer, you can showcase your work in a really nice way. So here we have the home page. We can go to work. And here we're using the crosshair hoverbox widget. You can click and it'll take you to the works page. So this template consists of 3 main pages, so home, work, and about, and then we have a sub page for the work details. And if you click on Let's Talk, it opens up your email client and you can send an email that way. We also have the resume page linked to a PDF, so you can link the resume to a PDF file, the resume menu item here. All right, looks good. It is fully responsive. And here I'll go back to the home page, and looks good. We can click on recent works. We're using the crosshair hoverbox widget. Looks good. And it is fully responsive to work across desktop, tablet, and mobile. Here we have the mobile menu. It's a really nice menu. I can go to the different pages of the site, and it looks good. I'll go ahead and open it in sizzy.co just to showcase the responsiveness of the template across different width devices. So I'll just copy the link here, paste it into Sizzy. And here we can see how the website will look on different width devices. Looks good. So I'll just go to a few pages and we can check out the responsiveness of each of the pages on different width devices. So I won't go too much into detail here in this tutorial, because I will create a complete tutorial on the template in another video. So that is the web designer portfolio template. It's a really nice template. Here I'll go back to museforyoushop.com and I'll just read what's included within the template. So here we go. Here we have the template page. It's fluid with design. It's responsive for desktop, tablet, and mobile. There's a maximum of 6 breakpoints per page. The pages are organized within the layers panel. There are 3 main pages: home, work, and about. There's 1 sub page, which is the work details. There's 1 master page. It's fully customizable. All the assets are included, and it's for Adobe Muse 2018 and later. And the widget used in the template is the crosshair hoverbox widget. So you can actually click here to go to the widget page and preview the crosshair hoverbox. It's in the works page, and it links the different works to the work details page. And you can duplicate the work details page to link different works that are in your portfolio. Okay, so that is the web designer portfolio template. That's it for this week. I did work quite a bit on the complete video widget tutorials, so that took most of my time this week. And support emails. I like to respond to all my emails, so I've been spending quite some time with that as well. So that's it for this week, for this weekly update for January 15th, 2018. I am working on a few more widgets that I'm excited to release this week, and I'll be creating a few more video tutorials as well. I'll be creating a video tutorial on the update to the Muse Motion widget, so you can be on the lookout for that. That'll be this week. But yeah, that's it for this video tutorial. Again, I do this to help you build awesome websites without code. So if you like this video tutorial, you can subscribe below. Also in the show more section below are links to other resources and links to museforyoushop.com. So again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video tutorial. Thank you.
Muse for you, awesome websites without code.